Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not verifying email. First, always check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes emails land there by mistake. Next, double-check that the email address associated with your Roblox account is accurate. If it's incorrect, update it. Finally, navigate to your Roblox account settings and try resending the verification email. These initial steps often resolve the problem quickly and efficiently. If the initial steps don't work, let's troubleshoot common issues. First, confirm your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent emails from loading. Second, temporarily disable any VPN or proxy services you might be using, as these can sometimes block verification emails. Third, try accessing Roblox and resending the email from a different web browser, like Chrome versus Firefox, or even a different device, such as a phone or tablet. For more advanced solutions, try adding Roblox's official email address to your safe sender list. This tells your email provider that messages from Roblox are trustworthy. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve data conflicts that might be preventing the verification process. If you're still facing issues, consider using a different email provider, like Gmail or Outlook, and updating your Roblox account with that new address. If you've tried all these steps and your email still isn't verifying, it's time to contact Roblox support. Before reaching out, gather all your account details, including your username and any error messages. Clearly explain the problem and list every troubleshooting step you've already attempted. Be patient. Support teams often need a few business days to investigate and provide a comprehensive solution to your specific issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.